Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to find the Figma community. To begin, open your Figma application or navigate to the Figma website in your browser. Once loaded, look for the Community tab, which is clearly visible on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking this tab will instantly transport you to a vast library where you can explore thousands of incredible files, useful plugins, and interactive widgets, all shared by a global network of talented designers. Once inside the community, navigating its rich content is straightforward. Use the prominent search bar at the top to quickly locate specific design resources, such as UI kits or icon sets, or even find your favorite creators. You can also refine your search by applying helpful filters, allowing you to sort by files, plugins, or templates. This makes discovering trending designs and popular resources for your next project incredibly easy and efficient. The Figma community offers immense value for your design process. You can easily duplicate any community file, transforming it into a fantastic starting point for your own projects, saving you valuable time. Furthermore, installing powerful plugins can significantly extend Figma's native functionality, helping to streamline your workflows and boost productivity. Don't forget to integrate interactive widgets, which add dynamic and engaging elements directly into your designs. The Figma community thrives on collaboration, and you can be a part of it. Consider publishing your own unique Figma files, innovative plugins, or helpful widgets to share your expertise with others. When you contribute, remember to provide clear, concise descriptions and relevant tags. This helps fellow designers easily discover your amazing creations. Engaging with other designers by leaving thoughtful comments and constructive feedback also strengthens the entire community.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.